Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about site availability part 3, which is about how many servers should you have. So for example, your application gets 1000 requests per second and you have a server which can handle around 300 requests per second. So if you calculate the number of servers you would require would be around 4, so that each of them can handle 250 requests per second. So now we have 4 servers for our application. But what if one server goes down? Then the load on the 3 servers would increase a lot and they will not be able to handle requests, which would mean some of your customers would not be able to access your application. So in that case, let us have one more server for the case when one of the original main servers is down. Now we come to another availability issue that happens is servers have to be maintained and upgraded from time to time. So for example, your 4th server is going an upgradation, whereas your 3rd server has failed. So again we are back with our original issue of not having enough servers to handle the requests. So in this case, ideally you can add one more server to your list of servers, so that if one is upgrading and at the same time another one is down, at least you will have one more for backup. So yeah, so that is about how many servers to have. But what happens if you are getting around 10,000 requests per second? So in this case, what people usually do is they have servers in a data center. So for example, you have so you're contemplating how many data centers to have for your application, which is getting around 10,000 requests per second. So your one server can handle around 300 requests per second. So here you would require around 34 servers to handle the 10,000 requests per second traffic. And if you take this number 34, suppose you are going to put these servers in say 2 data centers. So 34 by 2 is around 17 something. So your one server will have around so the 2 data centers will have around 17 servers each. Now if one data center goes down, in that case you can have another data center of 17 servers as its backup. So this is all about site availability and how many resources you must have.